dirty at all. Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today we're going to be installing the Airlift 3P kit on Henry's car, but we're doing it different. So we're going to do a 3-hour challenge where we're going to put 3 hours for us to install the kit on the car. We installed some of the kit. We ran the lines in the front and the back. We mounted the tank in the back, and we also mounted the compressors. So basically what we'd have left is actually just take out the struts in the back and struts in the front, replace them, and in the back. And here's how we mounted to prep for everything. Here's how the trunk is and the compressor. So it's basically going to be a 3-hour challenge for us to just put the new struts and the bags in and replace it, and then run the power. Are you ready, Henry?
Yes, sir.
Let's fucking run it. We're gonna prep everything. So for the rears, where's your rears?
Over there.
Okay, so for the rears, we already put the bags in the back together. I already have videos on how to put everything together, so just go on my channel and watch it. So we try to be as prepared as possible just to make this as fast as we can, and figured we might as well just give ourselves a timeline and a challenge to see how fast we could do it. So as you can see, we ran the lines in the back and in the rear. And it's already ran through the car and tapped in, so basically just installing it and then running power, and we're gonna give ourselves 3 hours for that. Y'all already know we got monsters on deck. Oof. All right, so as soon as this timer starts, and my hand's wet, such a fail.
Try again.
Yeah. All right, so timer set for 3 hours. We got the wheels off. That's how we're gonna start it. As you can see, we ran the lines. It's run through the car, and then we have the power ran under here, and the line not yet ran through the front. All right, so we're ready. So how we're gonna do it is he's gonna do the front, I'm gonna do the rear, because we can't drop the subframe at the same time. I don't really want to go support it from the. We can, but I don't really want to do that.
No point.
So yeah, he's gonna start that side, I'll start this side, and then we'll meet in the center. So let's go ahead and start this fucking timer. Let's fucking do this, bro. Wait, hold on. A sip of Monster for the boys. Start.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love, and don't be a stranger.
Alright, we're an hour and 10 minutes in. Here's where I'm at. I am almost done with the rear. Bags in. I just gotta tighten the top bolt right there, and the bottom bolt, struts in. So almost done with the rear. And we had to go to Home Depot to get a bolt because someone didn't watch my video and get the necessary bolts that we needed. But if you need help doing this, I have a full video on how to actually install everything detailed, so go to my profile, watch that. But yeah, he's almost done with the front here. He's putting everything back together. And yeah, so I'm almost done in the back, he's almost done in the front. I think we're doing pretty good on time. It's 1:50, so we have an hour and 50 minutes left. It's gonna be tight, I can tell you that much. It's gonna be close because still gotta run power and everything. Yeah, so back to the time lapse. I'll update you guys.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey,
Alright, so we're gonna have to go to Home Depot one more time. And you know, love Florida. Decided to fucking storm out of nowhere. Ain't no way I'm driving this fucking bitch in the rain.
Take mine.
I'm not trying to die. Oh yeah, let's definitely take. Alright, the camera died, and from the rain, I don't know if it got it. The power went out here. So we went to get food as well. So we stopped the time at 1:24. This side is done, the rear is done. So we basically are on track. I am now gonna move to the front. He's gonna move to the back. We're gonna see who's gonna finish faster. And then we basically have time to run power and then calibrate. So now we just gotta work faster. So
Indeed.
an hour and 24, resume, and
There you go.
let's fucking hit it. Yep.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I.
Alright, we have 49 minutes and 50 seconds. That side is done, other side's done. I just finished this side. Just gotta tie in the back of that vertical link right there and then run the line, and then I'm gonna obviously cut the grommet and then run the power right through here. Again, if y'all need instructions on this, I have a full detailed video on this. This is just a challenge video between Henry and I, and see if we can do it. Just gotta disconnect the vertical link right there. Henry, how you doing back here?
Almost done. Bolting up the strut and then stuff.
All right, so you already got the bad part done right there, the bad nut, and
Just doing the strut and then subframe.
yeah, you gotta put the frame back and then nut in the bottom. All right, so we're getting there. We got 49 minutes. Obviously paused the video a few times. It took lunch, and then we went to Home Depot. What, Henry? Like 3 times? 4 times. So yeah. In 48 minutes, this car should be on the fucking floor, if not fully powered on. Yeah, I'm about to put you guys back on time lapse, and we're gonna start fucking hustling here. Yep, let's get to it.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love and don't be a stranger.
We had Aaron pull up. Y'all know we just did his bags like 2 months ago.
Sure.
So, all right, everything's in. I just finished the wiring. It's clearly still a mess because still gonna test it. That's in, vertical links are tight, everything's connected. All sides are done. All we have left is to ground the relays in the back and test it. And he's about to do that. Here are my self-tappers in there. And then let's check the time. If I am not mistaken, we have a good 15 minutes left.
Hey, we gotta route the exhaust.
We have 18 minutes left. All right. We don't have to actually route the exhaust. We do that later. You can run it.
Filter. Filter the tank.
Okay, let's test the system first, and then we'll run the small things at the end.
Test it without the tank. To the backboard. Disclaimer, don't trust motor until you buy it.
What do you think?
Disclaimer, don't trust motor until you buy it.
Yeah, clearly. Clearly. Everything here is backed by me. 16 minutes. All right, give me some power. All right. It's gonna.
It's a good sign.
Turn your car on, let it charge. Make sure it's out of gear and doesn't vibrate. Go. Okay, PSI is going up, so we're gonna let it charge. It's gonna take a minute. Leave it, just let it. Alright. So we have 15 minutes left. I think we're doing good on time. We still got like some cleaning up to do. Gotta mount the tank. Everything here is wired. Obviously all this is gonna be under, so it's gonna be hidden. And let's see. So now we gotta wait till it gets to like 100 something. And then we just air it up, make sure there's no leaks, and then put it on the floor and let it calibrate. Ready?
Kinda happy.
Long day. It sucks that we had to go to Home Depot like 5 times, so we paused the time and then we had to eat. But we're doing good on time. Honestly, like now that we did this, next time I do bags, I'm gonna do it how we did this, instead of doing it like this car and that car all in one day or 2 days, whatever it took. I'm gonna start like running the simple stuff like the lines and the tank and the compressor in the back, and then the next day I'll do this where it's separate. Alright, timer's done. So right now we have a little bit of a leak. We're about to fix the rear and the front left. It's leaking a little bit. Other than that, we're basically done putting the car down. I don't know, did we go over time? I have no idea.
Maybe like 10 minutes.
Yeah, but like it's really not that bad.
Not at all.
Yeah, but we fucking did it, bro.
Yeah,
like,
we're good. Alright, let's figure this out.
Alright. Alright, it's on the floor. Adil pulled up, by the way. We had to call his ass out. That's his car right there.
Not the Ford.
No, it's not the Escape.
Not the Escape. The Mustang.
Fucking monster truck up in this bitch. Alright, air it out slowly.
Yeah, knock over my foot.
Touching the tire in the back. Alright guys, it's the next day. The car needed an alignment really bad, so he had to go get an alignment, and my battery died, so I didn't really get a video of the meet yesterday. But here it is. Park up, let's see it air out. I think he's running a really aggressive tire in the back that he needs to get camber arms. He's running 305s, and that's a 20 by 10 and a half, I believe, in the back. Yeah, he needs a little more camber, but look at that front. He is touching. Damn. Boy low. You happy?
Oh yeah.
All right, be safe, enjoy it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.